This video tutorial demonstrates how a student submits a paper to VeriCite using the Canvas native integration. In Canvas, navigate to the assignment you would like to submit. Click on the Submit Assignment button and then select the file you would like to submit. You may browse for the file on your computer, copy and paste the text into the text entry box, or attach a file from Google Drive if that app has been enabled. VeriCite accepts most file types, such as Word, PDF, rich text, and OpenOffice. However, it does not support Apple Pages or Microsoft Works. Your institution may require you to acknowledge that your paper is being submitted to a plagiarism service. If you see a VeriCite statement with a checkbox, you will need to check the box before you can submit your assignment. When you are ready to submit your file, click the Submit Assignment button. And that's it! Your paper has been submitted to VeriCite.